we're here.
Hey! Yeah. Alright, get a shot of that.
What is it? I said crazy. Okay, update, we're on the train. This is the start of our 4-day journey. Pretty freaking cool. This is our first night. We're in the first night. This is our first night on the train, and we're not sleepy at all. You know, I think we're just gonna sleep in 4-hour intervals or something like that. You know, it's pretty good. We've seen nothing but
And ladies and gentlemen, we're stopped just a little bit outside of Whitefish.
officially day 2 of our trip to Chicago. So, this is pretty awesome. Right now we're in just snowy hell zone. We're in Whitefish, Montana. Whitefish, Montana. Which is somewhere me and Bryce have never been. It's pretty cool. This is crazy. This is crazy. Flying. Look at this. We're literally friggin' flying right now.
What is going on? Oh, we're about to hit the ground again.
Oh, race.
That's pretty good. Okay.
That is crazy.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's my review.
Have a good night's rest. Now we're
My 4-letter review
to this is Birch's 4-letter review.
to give everything a 4-letter review.
Cool. We are in Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Or Montana.
Montana. Who knows where we are?
Who knows?
I don't know.
Not me. We've only been out here for like 2 seconds.
Should I jump into the snow? Alright. How's you feeling? How you feeling, man?
It's hot out, man. It's almost like 22 degrees out.
Well, cool.
Hey, what's up? My name is Alec.
This is Alex. We met him on the train.
We've been best friends for years, actually. He's my idea.
Yes, actually. I haven't seen him since kindergarten.
Kindergarten, yeah.
And we just met on the train again. That's Alex.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Don't waste you're gonna waste the tape.
I need B-roll.
There's only like 5 minutes to tape.
Okay.
Hey.
I like, as soon as it...
There's the big aura in the sky. That's crazy.
So crazy, it's just my word. It's too crazy. It's too crazy here.
Crazy.
That's what's your life.
I barely made that.
I saw everything, and
We have witness right here. What do you have to say to that?
this man was out of control.
You know, he had a past. He's a better man than we love him for who he is now.
So we should let him off the hook.
Yeah,
I'm not judging.
I think he deserves a second chance. You know?
You have to be.
So Claus, what did you get?
I got egg, some sort of like meat.
Eleanor, what did you get?
Hot.
You got hot. Okay. Alec, what did you get?
You got fun. Oh, yeah, look at that.
You got a
Cross section,
tomato.
more rice.
Sorry. Are you filming? Yes. Nice. You okay? Look at. Oh, I'm sorry.